In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Logitech G435 mic. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using the Logitech G435 headset and the microphone is not working, then follow these general steps to fix any issues that you have. First of all, do a basic power cycle. So power the headset off, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. You can also remove the USB dongle that is connected to your PC or any other platform and then connect it back again to perform the same thing. Then see if it works. If it still does not work, first ensure that the microphone is not muted. So there is a physical mute button on the microphone as you can see here. If you press this button on accident while using the microphone, it is going to remain muted. So it's important that you press this once more if it is currently muted. And then if you press it while it's muted, it will be unmuted and so on. So ensure that you didn't press this button by accident. Now, if it is still not working, then what I recommend is that you go over to the settings on the platform where you connected it to. So in this example, a PC, open the control panel, go to sound. So if you don't see sound here, switch over from category to large icons and you will find it. Now, go over to recording. Your microphone should be displayed here. If you don't see it, then right-click and then choose the options to show disabled devices and disconnected devices. Find the microphone related to the Logitech headset, right-click on it, and then enable. Make sure that you set it as the default communications device as well, so set as default device. This way, every single application, including games, will detect the Logitech G435 microphone as the default option. Something else to do is go over to the Bluetooth settings on Windows, and if you look under audio and you find the G435 microphone, you will be able to click on it and remove. Now, of course, for me it's not appearing because I don't have one at the moment to demonstrate this with, but the process is going to be the same. So you find it here and then you remove it if it is under Bluetooth. Afterwards, connect it again and it should work. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Logitech G435 mic. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.